So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Apple stock, ticker symbol AAL or AAPL in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you're into the Wealthsimple app, go into your trading account, go to the bottom left here, press on the magnifying glass. Now at the top, go to where it says search name, symbol, or service, the discover bar, and type in ticker symbol AAPL. There you go. Now, once you're here, Apple Incorporated, press on this, the first option right here. So as of right now, it is trading for $191.33 American. Go to the bottom here and press on buy and press on stocks. Now in this screen, you can go ahead and buy fractional shares if you want, which in this example I will, but you can go ahead here and press on market buy, limit buy, stop limit buy, recurring buy, whatever you want to do. But regardless, just type in the amount of money you wish to invest. So I will just search up $5 right here and then press on continue. Then to confirm your purchase, go to the bottom, press on confirm order, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Apple stock, ticker symbol AAPL in Canada on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.